Hello and welcome to Jack's Hobby Station. Today I'll be previewing, building, and custom building tamiyas 1/35 scale Willy's Jeep. First I worked on the engine, the transmission, and the suspension. After gluing everything onto the frame, I started to work on the body of the Jeep. I apply some putty to some holes as I'm going to move the chair to the back. After gluing both of the main pieces together, I started to add bigger pieces to the body. After gluing the wheels together, I started to custom build by making one of the armor plates. After cutting it to shape, I drilled out 2 holes, then cut it out the middle piece using my hobby knife. I then made the front piece by cutting out a slot for the machine gun and another slot for the driver. And after gluing on the front piece, I glued down a 30 cal and started making the radios. I decided not to record the making of the radios as you wouldn't really be able to see anything. After adding the 2 radios, I started to add some pieces that would hold the antennas. I decided that the vision slots for the driver were too big, so I glued a piece of plastic on the bottom of them to hopefully make it smaller. Next, I started to add weld beads by adding some long pieces of plastic, and I also glued down some pieces of stretch sprue for smaller weld beads. I then glued down the antennas and started to work on the weld beads by adding some plastic cement to soften the plastic. Then I used my hobby knife to add details. After finishing the weld beats, I added some wires going from the radios to the antenna, and I also started to add some accessories. I decided to go ahead and add the mic and a plug for a headset to the radio. And that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. I know it's a bit of a short video, but I decided to share it. This kit is pretty good and everything fitted together very well. I have yet to see how the weld beats fully turned out, as I can't see it that well. Thanks for watching and have a great day. See ya.